for like and subscribe and comment and share. I appreciate because I like be YouTuber if I grow up. Thank you. So we're gonna video this time like this. I always like this. This is my channel, and you want to see this. All of my video is here. Now do you know my channel is here, and we're gonna go and this is actually touchscreen. Now we're gonna play Avatar World, and we're gonna just enjoy this show because we just make this just for fun. Okay? I'm 9 years old, so I wanna be YouTuber when I grow up. And this is my video, and I have a new update here. And this is the Avatar World I made play. And this is the house I made here. I have a new update here. And this is go here. And we're gonna wait for it. And wait, my house is not here now. What happened? But we're gonna change our avatar. Wait, let's see our avatar here. And this is us, my sister, and my mom. And we're gonna go to the ballet class. This is the ballet class. And my laptop is touch screen. And we're gonna go in the gacha life now. Just in the gacha life now. Because this is moment I like. So thanks for like and subscribe. Let's go to play. Okay, we're gonna go to clean the house with permission. Because I'm just grade 4 and I'm grade 3. That's always my dream, be a YouTuber. If I'm grade 3 and I become grade 4, I'm gonna be YouTuber today because that is my favorite because I like being YouTuber because it's fun and so many views. So let's go in my channel. You see my channel. This is my channel. Do you see this my channel? My channel is so good. Do you like it? And wait. Okay, we're here. You like to watch this all, right? So thanks for my views. So I appreciate you like and subscribe in this. But I most like this. Do you know this? And we're gonna go here. Do you know this? Do you know this? Okay. This is the adopted mind. You can go here if you have ads. Adopted Mind.
Welcome to Adapted Mind, where we make learning fun. Before we get started, who do we have with us? From counting
Think
to
back
algebra,
to
we make math visual and fun. This is counting. Oh, hi there. How many eyes do I have? Nice work. I knew I could count on you.
We have a first friend in here.
And
each
each
time
we
we
automatically adjust the difficulty to your level. Let
And
me show you something else
this
cool.
one.
Even if you know the answer, try getting this one wrong. I promise I'm not crazy. 5 plus
3. 8.
A real teacher explains each problem you miss. Take it away. We start with the bigger number, 5, and count on. 5, 6,
And this is it, right? Be honest in here, okay? Don't be. Okay. This is my. I want be purple, so that's stain. And this is eyes. This is the mouth. The mouth is so funny, and I like that. This monster. That's funny, but I like this. And I'm gonna go done in my I'm done in my
That is
character.
one interesting monster you've made. I love it! The ideal usage is 3 days a week for just 20 minutes each. Screen time is useful, but important to limit. So we designed Adapted Mind, so your kid can get in, learn, and get out. Like literally.
Okay, we're gonna do the other games because this is so bored, and we're gonna go. Wait, not there. And go to my video again. Thank you for subscribing to my video. Thanks so much a lot. I like you help me so much. You help me my dream come true. And this is wait. And this is you like right. It's like this. Oh, I forgot. So I go in YouTube because I said gonna say thank you for 58 subscribers and 199 viewers. Thank you so much in my video. So thank you all. We're gonna go in the other. We're gonna play this one. Oh, I forget. I thank you for subscribe. Then we're gonna go in the next go. I'm bored in use the computer. Then I gonna play this for you guys in my other channel in the blind bag like this. But that's Cimarron. And we're gonna use my melody now. And with Cimarron.
Siya pagkatas na i-charge mo yan.
Okay.
Pagkatas na dito. Pati dito kasama.
Sorry, we're gonna post because my mom is here. Go in the room. We're gonna not go in the room because my sister is there. He's gonna mess this up. So we're gonna hear a while. Speed mo. Speed mo.
Wait lang.
Okay, so we're gonna later open this pack because I gonna eat in this time. So bye first. Post